Transform your garden into a vibrant ecosystem that feeds both you and local wildlife. Creating an edible landscape for pollinators is a rewarding way to combine beauty with purpose. This approach ensures your outdoor space is productive and supports essential biodiversity. Begin by selecting native plants suited to your specific climate and soil conditions. Incorporate a mix of native wildflowers, edible herbs, and fruit-bearing plants. Consider beneficial companion plants that deter pests and enhance growth naturally. Choose plants that offer continuous blooms throughout the growing season. This provides a steady food source for pollinators from early spring to late autumn. Research which native species thrive in your region and attract a diverse range of insects. Plan your garden layout to ensure a succession of blooms. Group plants with similar light and water needs together for efficient care. Think about varying heights and textures to create visual interest and diverse habitats. Consider the mature size of your plants to prevent overcrowding. A well-planned layout maximizes sunlight exposure for edibles and provides ample foraging space for pollinators. This thoughtful design supports a thriving garden ecosystem. Healthy soil is the foundation of any productive garden. Before planting, amend your soil with organic matter like compost. This improves drainage, aeration, and nutrient availability, fostering strong plant growth. Conduct a soil test to understand its composition and pH. Adjust as needed to create optimal conditions for your chosen plants. Rich, living soil supports robust plants that are more resilient to pests and diseases. Beyond plants, provide shelter for beneficial insects. Simple DIY pollinator habitats, like mason bee blocks, offer nesting sites for native bees. These structures are easy to create and significantly boost your garden's pollinator population. Leave some areas of your garden a little wild with undisturbed soil or leaf litter. This provides natural overwintering sites for many beneficial insects. A holistic approach supports the entire life cycle of your garden's helpers. By integrating these practices, you'll cultivate a garden that is both productive for your table and a haven for pollinators. Enjoy fresh produce while contributing to local ecological health. Your vibrant, edible landscape will truly nourish both you and local wildlife.